Welcome guys, this is a video of what I plan to do on my I would say craft table, model table, depends on how you want to see it. So I just received a couple of items from Amazon finally. Hopefully I can finish it either today or tomorrow, and this is to create the exhaust for the paint booth. So I'm going to show you what I have, and hopefully that gives you some guidance if you plan to do something like this. So my table is kind of a mess right now because I just opened a couple of boxes, and after all said and done, it would not be look like this at all, hopefully. So let me show you what I have right now on the table. So the first item that I bought was this exhaust. This is a 6 inches exhaust fan. So let me pull this out and I'll show you what's inside. This is a wall-mounted exhaust fan, and it's a plug-in. So let me remove the box and show you what's on the desk. So here's the 6-inch exhaust. Essentially, it's just a fan right here. So the exhaust fan itself is going to sit on top, but first I need to cut a hole right here with this exhaust fan here, and when I need to use it, I just need to plug it in and I can start using it. So this is what the exhaust fan look like. Essentially there is this cover. I need to remove it and put this seal right on the top to have a better seal. Okay, and from this end I also bought the exhaust tube. This is 6-inch diameter, so it's going to go like this, and I have this on one end. It's going to extend to 8 feet, and it's going to connect to the window here. And on the far end of it, I have this item, and again I also got this from Amazon, and I'm going to put all the links in my description. And it's going to connect like so, and it's going to exhaust out. So the idea is to have this turn on, suck any fume from this side when I need to use the paint booth, and it's going to suck auto air and push it out. So the first thing that I need to do is to cross a diagonal line and find the center of the board itself, and I'm going to take the fan and measure, find this exact location where I want to put it like so, and I'm going to cut a hole. So the next step is I drill 2 holes so I can put the jigsaw in. I drill it a little bit in so I can adjust it as I see if there's a need. So I'm gonna start jigsaw using the jigsaw to cut the hole. Okay, finished cutting the hole, and I just did a quick fitting, and it just fit really tight. So I just need to do some sanding just to make this a lot smoother so it can slide in a lot easier. So here's the fan. I was able to remove the covers to expose the 4 different screw heads, and I just need to screw it to the wood. It came with some screws, but they are way too long, so I was able to find some other screws that are shorter because I just need to be able to hold this to the wood, not to the wall. So here's the exhaust. I have it secured on the top here, so it's not all the way in because the wood here is a little bit thin. I don't want the wires to protrude out, but I think this is fine. It's not going anywhere. Now I just need to install the hose on the top and secure it. So use one of the rings that provided by the pipe here, the exhaust pipe here, and slip it through, put it on top, and now I just need to tighten it and secure it so this thing will not go anywhere. So as you can see, it's pretty tight. Now I have this is supposed to go outside, so I remove this Now this side has to connect to the other end, like so, and I will do the same by putting a ring around it and secure it. I have a board here on this, and I cut a hole and attach the hose and screw up on the top. Right here there are 2 screws holding it up, and this exhaust fan is done. So this particular part is cost me, you know, really nothing because I have some wood lying around and I just attach it. The bad thing is this thing itself is not waterproof, and I'll go to the other side and show you what I did to ensure it's waterproof. Also another thing that I need to mention is the glass, the window here. This is really old, so this thing doesn't go up that much, but I was able to secure it, and then I just quickly masking tape right here, so hopefully you know, it protects the inside. There's no air coming in, there's no water coming in. So this is what I did to waterproof the window and the wood. Basically I use a sheet aluminum. You can buy this from any hardware store. Basically I molded and make sure that I covered everything. Right now I just basically use nails to nail it, and this is pretty secure. So if there's any rain or snow coming in, it's gonna hit this side and it's hopefully will slide off instead of seeping back in. So here's the fan all plugged in. Let's turn it on and see whether it's really loud. And it's really not that bad. Hopefully you can hear my voice. Let's see the suction. So here's the plastic, and I'm gonna just put it on the top here, and it works. So there you have it. That's how I built the exhaust, and that's how I built the paint booth. And I also showed a video earlier on how to make this craft table works, make it into convertible when I need it, when I need the paint booth. If not, just hide it away, and that's done. So if you are interested in seeing how what I did on this table, remember I'll probably post some links on the bottom or on the screen where you get the video. That's it. So if you find this video interesting or helpful or useful, remember click on the like button. So I don't know, you know, where it is right now, probably on the bottom here, probably there, but essentially the like button, click on the like, will help my video. And if you find my videos helpful, remember to subscribe, as I will post more videos on my YouTube channel. Any subscription to my video channel, it's great help, and it will help me and motivate me to continue in posting videos. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time to watch so far, and remember, subscribe, share, like, whatever you need to do. Everything is free. That's it for now. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time.